Hi everyone, in today's video I would like to show you how to change your username in Instagram. For this, just go to your Instagram app, then click on your profile picture here. After that, go to edit profile. Now you can see the display name and username. We want to change the username, so click on here. Before changing the username, please keep in mind that you can only change your username in every 14 days, once in every 14 days. So when you are going to change the username, please keep in mind that information. Now my username is unicorn7. I want to change it to unicorn, so here is unicorn7. Now click on this right button here, and as you can see my username is changed to unicorn7, the correct spelling. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.